Hello friends, welcome to Easy Code for All. Today we will be discussing how to compare two XML files online. Mainly comparing two XML files using utility present in easycodeforall.com. So to do that, first open easycodeforall.com, go to all tools. You can get it from here. You can click on the XML comparator from here, or you can go to all tools, there XML comparator. Click on this, and here you need to provide both the XML to which you want to compare, like XML1 and XML2. You will need to give as an input, and then you can hit the compare XML button. Then it will compare the X2 XML file and show you the result. So before going into the result, let's look into the what are the possible options are there to compare. And when we are comparing the XMLs, what we can do is it can sort both the XML then compare. And one more important point here, it's not a text comparison, it's a XML comparison. Okay, so it will not be treated as a text comparison, it will be XML comparison. So what we can do, we can compare two XML files just to check is there any new element or attribute are there or not, or is there any element or attribute has been deleted, or or any new or a new element or attribute has been added or not. That we can do, or we can compare both the XML including their text content. So we'll see what are the options we have. So what it can do actually, mainly the options it provide. First, if we check this checkbox, it will remove the comments from both the XML section. So it will not consider comments for comparison. Ideally, you should check this checkbox and it will remove the comments from both the XMLs and then it will compare. Next option is the sort XML before compare. So if you check this checkbox, what it will do, it will sort both the XMLs before starting comparison, before start comparing between these two XMLs. So what it will do, it will sort all its elements and attribute in both the XML, then it will start comparing. And this one, which is by default unchecked, compare ignoring elements and attribute values. If you check it, what it will do, it will truncate all the element and attribute value and then it will compare. So mainly it's the XML structure comparison. It will be checking any new element added or deleted, any new attribute added or deleted. So by default it is unchecked. Next option is that show changed values only. If you check the checkbox, so what it will do, it will compare, and what are the value has been changed, it will show, it will highlight only those values actually. So some values are present in both the XML, XML1 and XML2, and those values are not changed at all. So it will not show those value actually. Only it will show or highlight the value which has been changed actually. So by default it is selected. And next one is that show summary of changes. If you check this checkbox, what it will do, it will tell you the summary of changes, means it will tell you what are the elements added, what are the attributes added, what are the elements modified, what are the attribute modified, and what are the elements or attribute deleted. So uh, it will tell the summary of changes actually. Let's do by default. By default, these three checkbox is selected. So let's see how it shows, how it does compare and so. So it compare both the XML, and it is showing all the added element or attribute in a green color, modified element or attribute it is showing in the blue color, anything got deleted that it is showing into the red color. Okay, and here it shows summary of changes. It shows actually what are the element added in XML2, what are the attribute added in XML2, and then it shows what are the element modified in XML2 and what are the attribute modified in XML2, and lastly it shows what are the elements or attribute deleted from XML1 actually. So it will check what are the element or anything got deleted from XML1. Okay. So this is the summary of changes, which will give you the insight actually, mainly changes, what are the changes are there into the XML2. So this is the default behavior, but if you want to change it, you can change it. Like if I select uncheck it, so it will show the value, all values actually. It will show all the values actually. It is showing all the value actually. It didn't truncate any value actually. And it is showing all the changed value with the highlighting them. Okay. Next one is that if you, this one, if you check this checkbox show only summary of changes, what it will do, it will show the summary of changes only. It will show you the only the summary of changes. It will not highlight the content in the XML. It will show you the summary of changes. Okay. Which will give the insight what are the element or attribute has been added or modified. And this one, if you select check this one, what it will do, it will remove all the value from both the XML and then comparing it. So if you do that, it will, as I have selected summary of changes, so it is showing summary of changes. Let's uncheck it. So here what it does is to remove all the values and then it compare what are the elements or attribute added or deleted or modified. Okay. So as we have removed the values from the both the XML, so there is no question of modification here, addition or deletion. So it identified these are the attributes and element added in XML2 and these are the elements and attributes it deleted from the XML1. Okay. And shows the summary of changes also. So it is pretty self-explanatory. Anybody should be able to easily understand it, and you can go through the video if you like to know more details about it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for using easycodeforall.com.